How to calculate log and anti-log without using logarithm table, that we are going to discuss in this session. So log and anti-log calculation, even for your theory examination, competitive examination, there is a lot of calculations are there, especially from the chapter electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, acid base concepts. We need how to calculate log and anti-log without using, especially for your competitive examination, they won't provide which one the logarithm table. So we have to know how to calculate log and anti-log without using logarithm table. Okay, so we can discuss through the questions the basic idea. So dear all, if you want to know the logarithm and anti-logarithm calculation, some basic concepts or basic equations regarding logarithm we can discuss. So first one, some common equations, so general equations. Log A into B, log A into B, you know the equation log A into B is equal to log A plus log B, right? Log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. For example, we can write log 5 into 3. Log 5 into 3 we can write it as log 5 plus log 3. Correct. This is the form of A into B. So log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. Therefore, log 5 into 3 is log 5 plus log 3. Alright. Second equation, log of A by B. This is log A into B. Here it is log A by B. Log A by B is equal to log A minus log B. Okay, log A by B equal to log A minus log B. For example, log of 5 by 3 is equal to log 5 minus log 3. Clear all? Next one more is there. Log A to the power B. Log A to the power B is equal to the power B into log A. For example, log 5 to the power 3. Log 5 to the power 3. So the power is what? 3. So 3 into log 5. 3 into log 5. So log 5 to log A to the power B is equal to B into log A. So log 5 to the power 3 is equal to 3 into log 5. Clear? Some basic 3 equation. And one more topic we have to remember. What is the value of log 1 to log 10? We have to know that, because the given question we bring into these values. Okay, log 1, dear student, log 1 is 0 and log 10 is 1. Okay, so log 1 is 0 and log 10 is 1. So your remaining values are in between 0 and 1. Alright, so very easy values, all are very closer value, we can remember that. Log 1 is 0, log 2 is 0.3, exactly it's 0.3010, exactly this is enough. Log 2 is 0.3, log 3 is 0.47. Log 1 0, log 2 0.3, log 3 is 0.47, and log 4, log 5, log 6 we can study together. Dear student, this is 0.6, 0.7, 0.77. Right? 0.6, 0.7, 0.77. Remaining 3 set, there is a combination. This is 0.85, this is 0.9, 0.95. See? One or twice if you practice it, definitely will get it. So log 1 to log 10 value we should remember. What is log 1? 0. What is log 10? 1. So your remaining values are in between log 1 and log 10. Alright. Log 1 0. Then remaining is what? 0.3, 0.47, 0.6, 0.7, 0.77, 0.85, 0.9, 0.95 and 1. This is the values of log. So just to pause the video and mark this equations. Okay, just these 3 equation. What is log A into B, A by B, and A to the power B, and log 1 to log 10 value, all of you just copy, then only we can go to the question. Okay, hope you noted the values. Just pause the video and take the values once again in your paper, copy to the paper. Let's go to the question discussion. Let's go to first of all logarithm calculation. So now we can start with the normal logarithm value, log 100, the whole numbers. The problem only with the decimal value. Log 100. Dear student, log 100 we can write it as, log 100 we can write it as what? Log 10 square, right? 10 square is 100, right? So log 10 square is in the format of log a to the power b, yes or no? Log 10 square is in the form of log a to the power b. What is log a to the power b? B into log a. So what is this here? B is 2, right? So 2 into log 10. 2 into, what is log 10? Log 10 already we studied before, that's equal to 1, right? So log 100 is 2. You know, log 10 is 1. Log 100 is 2. So log 1000 is expecting 3. Let's see. Log 1000, dear student, log 1000 we can write it as log 10 cube. 10 cube is 1000, right? So log a to the power b, that is equal to b into log a log 10. So 3 into log 10 is 1, that's equal to 3 exactly. Okay, next one, log 25. How we can write log 25? Log 25 we can write it as log 5 square. 25 is 5 square, right? So log 5 square is in the format of log a to the power b. So b into log a log 5. What is log 5, dear student? Log 5 is 0.7. Check it, all of you. Log 5 is 0.7. All right. So 0.7. So 0.7 into 2, that is equal to 1.4. Log 20. Log 20, it's not a square of an exact value. Log 20 we can make it in the format of what? Log 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20, right? Log 5 into 4. It is in the format of log a into b. What is log a into b? That is log a plus log b. Log 5 value we calculated as 0.7. Log 4 value, that is 0.6. All of you. Log 5 is 0.7, log 4 is 0.6. So 0.7 plus 0.6 equal to 1.3. Okay, so these common values, the whole numbers we can calculate maximum. Most of the questions we can make into the limit of which one? These log 1 to log 10. Within this limit, we can make it those whole numbers value. The problem with decimal value, let's see. So decimal value when calculating, we should careful, some steps are there. All of you please carefully listen. After doing 1 or 2 question, automatically you will get the idea how to do that. Log 5.6. Okay, dear all, follow the lecture. Log 5.6. Just note in your paper, log 5.6. Okay, log 5.6. How to calculate? First of all, before the decimal, what the digit you have? Before the decimal, the digit is 5, right? So calculate this area first, log 5. Before the decimal, what is the digit you have? 5. So calculate log 5, the initial point, log 5. Log 5 is, you know, 0.7 plus. Now we want to get a contribution from 0.6. Remaining is 0.6, right? So log before the decimal, what you have, that we made. Log 5 is 0.7 plus. We need some more value, that is from 0.6. How to calculate? Dear all, log 5.6 is in between log 5. Dear student, 5.6, the digit 5.6 is between 5 and 6, right? Okay, 5, you know, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, like 5.6 up to, it is in between 5 and 6, right? So log 5.6, the digit is actually in between log 5 and log 6, all right? Log 5.6 is actually in between log 5 and log 6, correct? Because we made into whole number, that's it. What is log 5? Log 5, you know, 0.7. What is log 6? That is equal to 0.77. Dear student, please take their difference. Higher value minus lower value. Okay, its sign is not important here. We should make it as always positive, that's it. 0.7 and 0.77. The higher number is 0.77. From that lower number, please subtract it. So 0.77 minus 0.7 is equal to 0.07. Okay. What we did, once again I am repeating, log 5.6 is the digit we want to calculate. Log 5, before the decimal, what is the digit you have? 5. Log 5 equal to 0.7 plus. Now I need some more value here. In order to calculate that value, I am doing this procedure. Okay. Log 5.6 is in between log 5 and log 6. Log 5 is 0.7, log 6 is 0.77. I take the difference. That is equal to 0.07. The difference you have to multiply with this decimal value. What is the decimal value? 0.6. the difference we have to multiply with this decimal value. Okay, so 7 into 6, that is 42, right? So 0.042 is the answer. This value please substitute here. 0.042, that is equal to 0.742 is the value. I will do one more question. It will get the idea stronger. See the next question. Log 8.2. How to do that? First we have to calculate before the decimal what you have, 8. So log 8, that is equal to 0.9. 0.9. Okay, plus I need a value here. In order to get this value we have to do some procedure, right? Okay, let's go for that. What is the procedure, dear all? Log 8.2 is the value you have to calculate. It is in between log 8 and log 9. Yes or no? Log 8.2, that digit is 8.2 is in between 8 and 9, right? Okay, so log 8 we know 0.9. Log 9 is what? 0.95. All of you check it. Okay, log 8 and log 9. Log 8 is 0.9, log 9 is 0.95. All right. Okay, so 0.9 and 0.95. After that, what we have to do? Take their difference. 0.95, higher number minus lower. Okay, please don't write a negative sign here, always positive. 0.95 minus 0.9, that is equal to 0.05. This difference we have to multiply with, come on. This difference we have to multiply with which value? This decimal value 0.2, all right. 0.05 into 0.2 is equal to 0.01. That value, please substitute here, 0.01. 0.9 plus 0.01 equal to 0.91. Easy or not? Let's check it. One more question, all of you. Get it easy. Next question, log 8.5. Okay, log 8.5, here the before the decimal value is log 8. Just all of you pause the video, just try yourself how to calculate log 8.5, then continue the video. Okay, log 8.5, before decimal value is 8, correct or not? Log 8 is equal to 0.9 plus I need a value here. In order to get this value, what are the procedure we are doing, dear student? All of you cross check it. Log 8.5 is in between log 8 and log 9. Just one digit difference altogether. Log 8 and log 10, please don't take it. Log 8 and log 9. That's just digit, nearby digit. Log 8 is 0.9. Log 9 is 0.95. Take their difference, that is equal to 0.05. That difference you have to multiply with this decimal value, that is 0.5. So 5 into 5, 25, but there is a 0. So 0.025. Substitute here 0.025, so that's equal to 0.925 is the answer. Clear all of you? So this is the way how to calculate the decimal value of which one? Logarithm. Whole numbers normally we can make it to a normal multiple of, for example, if they are asking log 20, we can write it as log 5 into 4. If they are asking log 10, log 10, you can log 10 already you know that. For example, they are asking log 12, so we can write it log 6 into 2 like that. But if the decimal value if they asking, you have to follow this method, we'll get it. Clear all of you? So this is the logarithm calculation without using logarithm table. Now let's go to anti-logarithm calculation. Okay. First we are going to discuss about anti-logarithm. In anti-logarithm there are difference because anti-logarithm they can give with positive values and also negative value. There is a small difference in the calculation. Very simple, okay, very simple. Log for anti-log. First I am discussing about anti-log calculation of positive values. See, anti-log of 5.3, anti-log of 26.6. How to calculate? All of you please follow the rule. Very simple. Anti-log of 5.3. Okay, so I am just writing anti-log of the first digit before decimal, you please write it as log 10 to the power 5. Okay. Whatever the digit you have before decimal, so dear student, now we are calculating the anti-logarithm of positive values. Okay. What the digit you have before decimal, that you write it as log 10 to the power. So before decimal the digit is 5. So let me write it as log 10 to the power 5 plus. Or I can make one more method for that. Just a minute all of you. I can write it as anti-log of this 5.3. I can write it as 5 plus 0.3, right? Possible, right? So in order to avoid a confusion, let me add one more step. Anti-log of 5.3, I can write it as anti-log of 5 plus 0.3. 5 plus 0.3 is 5.3, right? Okay. Now let's continue. Anti-log of the first digit, you have to write it as the 10 to the power. Okay, 5 is the value. So let's write log 10 to the power 5 plus 0.3. Dear student, 0.3 is the log of which value? All of you please check it. The logarithm 1 to 10 value we studied. No. 0.3. 0.3 is the value of log 2. Just check it, all of you. See, 0.3 is the log of value 2, right? Log 2. So let me substitute here. 0.3 is the log of 2. So what I did, once again I'm repeating, log 5, anti-log of 5.3 is the question. I can write it as anti-log of 5 plus 0.3. So first digit I write it as log 10 to the power, and second digit is the log of which value? 0.3 is the log of 2. Okay, so I can write it as anti-log of, dear all, here this is in the bracket, it is in the format of log A plus log B. Log A plus log B. What is log A plus log B? That is log of A into B, right? A into B. A, B, you can interchange it, no problem. 10 to the power 5. Dear student, log, anti-log, we can cancel. Your answer is which one? 2 into 10 to the power 5. Within this step itself, you can calculate, okay, this is your answer. 2 into 10 to the power 5. One more question, all of you please listen. Anti-log of 26.6, how you can write? I can write it as anti-log of 26.6. I can write it as 26 plus 0.6. Okay, 26 plus 0.6. All right. What is the rule, all of you? Anti-log of the first digit. Okay, first digit or the first letter, the number, we have to write it as log 10 to the power. So 26, we can write it as log 10 to the power 26 plus 0.6 is the log of which value? 0.6. Dear student, 0.6 is the log of 4, right? Just check it, all of you. 0.6 is the logarithm of 4. All right. So we can say instead of 0.6, we can write it as what? Log 4. Log 4. So your answer is already ready within this step, dear student. This is your answer, 4 into 10 to the power 26. So let me make it anti-log of. This is in the format of log A plus log B. This is a log A into B, or 4 into 10 to the power 26, or 20 to the power 26 into 4, whatever. Log and log cancel. 4 into 10 to the power 26 will be the answer. Okay. So anti-log of positive value, when you calculating, you please make the value into the addition of two values. So it's 5.3, we can write it as 5 plus 0.3, and first digit write it as log 10 to the power, and second digit is the value or log of which value, find out and substitute that into this 10 to the power. That is your answer. Okay, hope you clear the idea. Let me go to anti-logarithm of negative value calculation. There is a small difference. Okay, so here I'm going to calculate the anti-logarithm of negative value. See, anti-log of minus 8.7, anti-log of minus 14.3. A small difference, one step extra. Same like the previous case calculation, the positive value calculation, one step extra in the beginning. That's it. What is that extra step? Dear all, anti-log of minus 8.7, let me write anti-log of minus. That's no need to take it as a magnitude there, just to keep it there, minus value. Before the decimal, what you have? 8, right? 8. Before decimal, this is the procedure, this is the extra one step you have to do in the anti-logarithm calculation of negative value. Before the decimal, what the digit you have, add 1 with that. Okay, so please don't consider minus 8 there. Minus, you just write it there, just keep it along with that, don't take it as a magnitude. Minus is there. Before decimal, what is the digit you have? 8, right? With that, add 1. So here, before decimal, add 1, and the decimal value 0.7 is the decimal, right? 0.7 that you subtract from 1. What you have to do before the decimal, this is the only one extra step in negative value calculation. Before decimal, what is the digit you have? 8. With that, add 1. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 point. Okay, point. And your digit is 0.7, right? 0.7. The decimal value is 0.7. 8 with already we added 1. 8 plus 1, 9. And the remaining digit is 0.7. 0.7 you subtract from 1. 1 minus 0.7 is 0.3. Right? 0.3. What I did here, student? Just check it once again. This is the only one extra step. Okay. Anti-log of minus 8.7. So I'm just making it to another format. Anti-log of minus. Before the decimal, what is the digit you have? 8, right? Before decimal, what the digit you have? Please add 1 with that. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Point. After 8, the digit you have 0.7. 0.7 value you subtract from 1. 1 minus 0.7, that is 0.3. Let me do the same procedure here also to get a clear idea. How you can perform the same experiment here? I can write it as anti-log of minus 14.3. So minus, before the decimal what you have? 14, right? With that, add 1. 14 plus 1, that is equal to 15. Point. The remaining digit is 0.3. 0.3 we have to subtract from 1. Before decimal, add 1. The decimal value subtract from 1. So 1 minus 0.3 is equal to 0.7. 0.7. Clear all of you? That is the extra step. Then we have to follow the same method what we did in the previous positive value calculation. Same procedure. What we did? Anti-log of, before decimal, what the things you have? Write it as log 10 to the power. Log 10 to the power minus 9. Plus 0.3 is the log of which value? 0.3 is the value of log 2. So anti-log of, this is in the format of log A plus log B. That is what? Log A into B. Log anti-log cancel. You will get 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 is the answer. Same procedure here we can follow, dear student. Anti-log of, before decimal minus 15, that you write it as log 10 to the power minus 15. 0.7 is the log of which one? Log 5 is 0.7. So we can write it as anti-log of log A plus log B, that is log A into B. 5 into 10 to the power minus 15 or 10 to the power minus 15 into 5, whatever. Log anti-log cancel. 5 into 10 to the power minus 15. Okay, so this is the way you can calculate even for your board examination, competitive examination, NEET, JEE, IIT examination, almost approximate, very close value we can calculate it without using logarithm table. So dear student, in this video, we discuss how to calculate logarithm and anti-logarithm of positive, anti-logarithm of negative values without using logarithm table. Hope you clear the way how to answer or how to find out the log anti-log calculation. Clear, dear student? Okay, keep practicing. Thank you all. Bye.
Brilliant Qatar, your trusted coaching partner for IIT, JEE, NEET, Science and Commerce tuitions with 10 years of excellence in quality training. Brilliant Qatar.